Welcome back to A Day in the Life of Claire. Today we are going to do a fashion show. So Claire gets to wear lots of pretty outfits. Yay! So, let's get started.
Uh-oh! Oh, I am kind of a big deal. I totally forgot. This isn't so bad, maybe. Maybe I'll just sit here and wait for this to end. I don't like it. It makes me go really low to the ground. Oh, take it off. It's hot in this house. I don't know if my arm came out. I can't walk straight.
Okay.
I don't want to ride a motorcycle. I don't understand. It's kind of comfortable. I don't mind it so much, I guess. I'm just going to stay by the fire, but maybe I can get this off. Somebody help, I don't know how to walk.
Okay.
Go. Ooh, I kind of like this one. I can actually move. It feels silky. I like it. I'm getting kind of used to walking in here. Fashion cap. Pose for the camera. Walk away.
Go.
Fashion. Sports. I don't like the hood. I can't even jump. I'm done. I'm done. There you go. Fashion walk. I like tuxedos. Dog, leave me alone. Now's not the time.
Fashion walk, kitty.
This dress matches my fur. I'm gonna run this way. Dog, leave me alone.
Dylan. That was the fashion show. So, like, subscribe, and comment. Do it for Claire for all the torture we've been putting her through this episode and last episode. She kind of deserves it. Claire, would you like to say something before we go?
No, you guys leave me alone. You can't reach me in here. I don't want any more. Thanks for stopping by. What are you doing? I don't like it. No. Stop. No. That's my army. I don't like it. Not sure I'm very fond of this. I don't know what's happening. No, not again. No, I'll go over here. And you let me know when you're done. Oh, it's a toy? I get it.
Fashion walk. Go.
Not this again.
She's gonna hate this one.
Mhm.
No. I don't want to wear a sweater. It's summertime. Oh, no. This is kind of tight.
You gotta have the hood on.
Okay. Okay. Go.
Claire, help. Claire, wait. I know. Just help. That's fine. You're going to the ball. Yeah, we're just about done. There you go.
There's Velcro on it, you know.
That's okay.
Oh.
Wait. Dylan, don't tease her. Okay, fashion walk. I don't know where she is.
Claire. Dylan, where'd she go?
I'll check downstairs. You check, like, around.